Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel latest fashion trend. Friends, in today's video we will make the card. You will need two paper sheets, one glitter sheet, one scissor, one scale, one glue stick, one pencil and one punch cutter. Now we will make the card. First you will need pink sheet, then fold it equally. Fold equally. Then you need second sheet, peach color sheet, and fold equally. Then you will draw some lines. Then cut the strips. Then this strips is ready. Then fold this strips. Then this is folded. Then you need pink sheet and then paste this sheet into the pink sheet and paste the glue. Then paste this. You look that this card is half ready. Then you will need one glitter sheet and 3 strips. Then paste this glitter sheet strips into the paper strips. Then paste it. Friends, never forget to subscribe my channel or like my video and comment on my video and share my video and press the bell icon to get notifications on. Friends, punch stars. And then paste this stars into the sheet. Then fold it equally. Then cut the extra steps. Just left one step. Then fold it equally. Then cut one heart and second heart. First heart is big and second one is small. Then punch some hearts. Then paste it in the front of the card. Friends, our card is ready. You look that this card is looking very beautiful and nice. Friends, I hope you will be like this card. Friends, you look that this is looking very beautiful. Friends, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.